Hey guys, Justin Lindos with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today we're here in beautiful Boca Ciega Bay and I'm standing on board this amazing brand new Aquila 54 catamaran. We're going to give you a full tour on the boat today. You're in for a treat. Prepared to fall in love. Enjoy. So starting off on the aft cockpit on the Aquila 54, this brand new boat we're on features the Aquila dinghy. So she does come with the 14-foot Aquila semi-rigid catamaran, which does have the 40 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury engine. So she is located on the hydraulic platform. That platform does go down to the water level, and she does have a nice crane that is concealed in the Flybridge ceiling that will come out and put your dinghy in the water. So a great addition to be included with the purchase of this Aquila 54. Beautiful seating back here in the aft cockpit. You can really be dining out here with a group of friends, comfortable dining for at least 10 guests on board. You can put out some nice fold-out director chairs right here. Great place to be hidden under the shade or just to enjoy the social aspect of this rear cockpit. The bar with the 3 seats is one of our all-time favorite features on all the Aquilas actually. So everybody just loves to hang out at the bar, and as you can see why, it's just a really cool place to be. The boat does feature a crew quarter cabin with a double bunk and their own head and shower. She's powered with the twin Volvo D6 480 diesel engines. That is the preferred power on all Aquila 54s. They do have the upgraded Yanmar 550 options that they're offering as well, but she performs beautifully, as you'll see in the video, with the Volvo D6 480s. The boat we're on features the luxurious dark walnut interior color, and also does have the interior staircase going up to the fully enclosed glass Flybridge, which I'll show you in a minute, which is a really great option if you're going to do a lot of long distance cruising or just cruising in hot climates like we are here in South Florida with all that good air conditioning inside. So let's get you on into the Salon and show you what she has to offer. So this is where everyone spends a lot of time. As you can see, this is such a cool place to be, preparing a meal, serving cocktails to your friends and family. You got this beautiful view out behind you, just a really cool galley. You got induction cooktop. This boat does feature a Bosch oven as well as a convection microwave oven. She does have a wine chiller right over there with plenty cabinets and storage space. Full size refrigeration as you would have in your home, which is really neat, and just easy access to all your electrical systems, your C-zone panel, your switches, your AC/DC battery switches. Everything is located right behind this panel right over there. So well located throughout the whole boat. Beautiful little center island right besides the sofa seating. We do have a hydraulic electric table, that would lower, and those leaves would open up and give you a really nice big dining table for comfortably 10 guests around that table. She's a brand new boat. We have not equipped with TVs, but that's where you would install a nice big 75 plus inch TV up on the wall. So we do feature a guest cabin on both sides. This is a 4-cabin layout. The 4th cabin is your crew quarter cabin with the double bunk. So we do have a guest cabin on each side, port and starboard. The larger of the 2 guest cabins is down these stairs on the starboard side. As I mentioned earlier, we got access to our Flybridge. Beautiful, enclosed, all glass, air-conditioned Flybridge. In really bad weather, you don't have to go outside. You got these stairs to bring you down. So just great for cruising. If it's a husband and wife couple that are just cruising along, you don't have to separate each other. You can still have a conversation with the captain at the helm if you're making a meal. It's just really cool having this access to the Flybridge. We do have our starboard seating here as well for the Salon table and dining table, and our master stateroom is right in front. Let's take a look. So here we are in the master cabin on the Aquila 54. One signature feature on all Aquila yachts is the full beam master cabin. So all the way across it stretches, and we have a king size bed in the middle, easy access to get around the bed for making the bed, and plenty headroom as well. One thing I can point out and love is the windows that wrap all the way around. So when you're walking around your bed, you got a full, almost a 180 view of what's happening around you, which is really cool. You've got a beautiful walk-in closet just down these stairs with a full vanity for the wife and ladies to do their makeup. Plenty closet space and drawers down there as well. On the starboard side, we do have a walk-in head with your own, obviously a door, and you have your shower just behind you with a washer dryer right in the shower as well. All right, let's get you on up into the Flybridge and show you what we have up at the helm. So here we are on top of the Flybridge at the helm on the Aquila 54. We got two super comfortable captain's chairs, all the navigation equipment you would want, twin 16-inch Raymarine Axiom Pros. You got your C-Zone controller, your Volvo engine display right there, your autopilot depth gauge. Everything is super visible and easy to access. Bow thrusters, spotlight controller, a lot of visibility. You got good access all the way around, and even right behind you. And if you do want to see your transom stairs, we do have cameras that are integrated that would show up on the screen as well. So cool place to hang out as well. You got a great little coffee table, good seating for 6 to 8 adults comfortably up here. And the big thing is it's fully enclosed with glass with air conditioning. So this is it's a cool place for a captain to be hanging out, cruising on those long hot days in summer, being sitting in the air conditioning. It makes your journey so much more pleasurable. If you wanted to, you can open up the windows and get a nice cool breeze through in the cooler months. These doors all slide all the way across. We are inundated with love bugs right now. You probably can see them on the video, but this time of the year in South Florida, we're on the west coast here in St. Pete. There are love bugs everywhere. So we're keeping that closed for now. But we'll take you on out there in just a bit and show you what we have to feature around what they call the Portuguese Flybridge, which is an absolute unique feature on the 54 Aquila. So one place we love to hang out, the times that my wife and I have spent on a 54 Aquila, is up here on the Flybridge. So we have a sunshade that retracts all the way out, so you can put some nice lounges or seating back here if you wanted to. But look at this Canyon grill. There's no better place to be grilling up some steaks or lobster tails when you're standing on this Flybridge with this view all the way around. It is absolutely paradise up here when you are utilizing the grill. We do have a refrigeration, an ice maker, and a sink up top here. And one feature that I absolutely love on all Aquila 54s is the Portuguese Flybridge. So the ability to walk around this whole Flybridge with a walkway, especially if you were transiting through some locks or some tricky dock areas. You got a place to be able to walk through and navigate to where you need to go. You can always add what they call a dock mate or a yacht controller, and you can actually stand here and drive your boat and dock in and out of a tight slip or into a lock just by utilizing a remote control. So having this Portuguese Flybridge is wonderful. Great place for your guests to socialize out on the bow. We got beautiful sun pads and lots of seating for your family and friends up on the bow. So a couple of ways we can get ourselves up to the bow. One is down walking on the side of the boat. On either side, we got these beautiful big companion walkways and lots of grab rails to hang on to in really bumpy conditions. And we do have the center walkway from the Flybridge down to the foredeck. So up here, we do have beautiful sun pad seating. We got really comfortable seating if you just want to hang out and watch that sunset, family and friends, or if your wife and family want to sunbathe, they can. Those seats would fold down and you got really big, spacious sunbathing area up on the bow. We got our little dolphin viewing seats up here. Great place to sit while you're underway and spot the dolphin swimming in your bow wave. We do have storage lockers on either side of us. You have stairs that go take you down. Great utility room, place to put your fold-out electric bikes or sun chill, water toys, you name it. Beneath me, we have our anchor windlass access. And yeah, guys, just an amazing boat. The Aquila 54 does it all. Perfect boat to live aboard or do that extended long distance cruising. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this brief tour on this beautiful new Aquila 54. If you want to come look and get a more in-depth tour on the boat, give us a shout. My name is Justin Lindhorst. I'm located at MarineMax St. Petersburg. My direct number is 239-770-7096. Look forward to showing you the boat in person. Thank you.